That's right, because guess what, Chip?
We're here.
This is the week that we look forward to all year long. We are going to show you the latest in kitchen, bath, construction, and more. Things you can actually bring into your home. I mean, Chip, this is like your Super Bowl, right?
That's right, Kat. Design and Construction Week is where I'm inspired for all my projects all year long. Come on in, and we want to show you what we found.
We certainly didn't need to go far to find fashion and inspiration here. This doll tile booth is breathtaking.
It really is. It's huge. There's vignettes everywhere which showcase the latest product offerings. You guys know tile is one of the most resilient and durable products you can put in your home, and now it looks absolutely incredible. I personally love some of the new offerings like the Artifino. It's so classic, and this Remedy. I'm going to put this in my next project for sure.
I didn't know you could find tile in all these sizes and styles and textures and designs. This is not your grandma's tile out here. Go to dolltile.com to get inspired like we are.
Kat, this has got to be one of the coolest garage doors I have ever seen. We are here in the Clopay booth. This is the C-Power enabled click to conceal panels with the Avante collection. What a great looking garage door.
I mean, Clopay has just made the garage another livable room. Getting that natural light in, being able to switch between clear glass and opaque, living room, gym, playroom. The garage is really now another room thanks to this garage door.
That's right, and all of the technology is built right into these high quality commercial grade aluminum frames, so you see none of the wiring, it just works. Again, all from the push of a button remote. You can transform any space. When it's opaque, it actually eliminates some of that sun's heat gain that goes into the room, so it's going to stay more comfortable. Then click it to clear and enjoy and let all the sunlight in.
When I love, Chip, that if the power goes out, it's going to stay opaque, so safety in mind. And the frames comes in so many different colors. You can even custom match it personally to your house. I mean, we are bringing the power of the panels here in Clopay. Go to clopaydoor.com. Get inspired. Well, if you're looking for inspiration in the kitchen and bath, we have found it. We're here in the Akakon booth, and each piece is customized exactly how you want it. You can become a designer just like Mr. Chip Wayne here.
You know what? They make it easy here at Akakon with handmade custom things for the kitchen, like this range and hood combo. Custom copper, stainless steel. They're literally artisans that handcraft these things to be a one-of-a-kind piece. Even handmade copper accents like your kitchen sinks, faucets, they don't have to be a standard size. If you can dream it, they can make it.
They have things for the bathroom, even doors. Akakon is making your home fully customizable and beautiful, just how you like it. Go to akakon.com to learn more.
Kat, so many beautiful things to see at this show, including some new designer looks for windows. We're here in the GE booth with GE Smart Shades. These are motorized shades that look super custom, but come ready to go right out of the box.
I mean, I'm loving these smart shades. I can control them with a remote or my voice. So when I get out of bed in the morning, I don't have to worry about going over doing it by hand. But I mean, the design here, Chip, these look really beautiful.
They really do. They come with black hardware or white hardware options, which go with everything. And they come already ready with 6 of the most common window widths. So you get that custom look with none of the custom hassle. You can get white, you can get gray, blackout, or even translucent shades.
And then once they're up, the beautiful thing is no need to change a battery. Just recharge it a couple times a year, about every 6 months. They are making my life so easy, especially with this remote here. Let there be light. Let there not be light. Let there be light.
You can find all this at shopgelighting.com.
I am feeling so inspired. How about you?
I am as well, but I think I spent my entire yearly allowance already. If you like what you saw, you can check it out at tradeshowtreasurehunters.com.
See you next time.
See ya.